When instant film first came out in 1972, it was the most incredible product people had ever seen. What's amazing about it is that it's still magical today.
Life is so busy and fast-paced, so when you stop and you really think about composing that image, it's almost like time's pausing.
The thing is, there hasn't been a camera system developed for this format of film for over 20 years. So that's what really motivated us to create a future for this with the i1.
I imagine that I will not design that many products, in my life. So the few products I design, I want to be really good. Just making another analog camera, it's not enough.
We designed the i1 to be a great point-and-shoot camera, but for photographers and artists, they want more control.
Instant film is about working within limitations, but the more control you have within these limitations, the more freedom you get to be creative.
You can put the camera in Bluetooth mode, the light blinks blue, it looks for your phone, and we created an app that gives you all these controls that allows you to go in and change the shutter speed and aperture.
With the i1, we are able to create instant photographs that were never possible before.
You've got your beautiful camera, you've got a pack of film that really helps you stop and stay in the moment.
I would say the only vision I have is to make something I've never seen before.
This isn't something that's about saving the past. It's all about giving creative tools to creative people.
We're Lomography, and we're thrilled to be back on Kickstarter to present to you your everyday instant inspiration, the Lomo'Instant Automat. It's the most advanced automatic instant camera out there. It automatically adjusts shutter speed, aperture, and flash output to every and any lighting situation. It has fast and easy focusing. It's the most compact, minimal size possible, and yet it gives you all the creative freedom you need with an extensive range of features and accessories. Since first diving into the world of instant photography in 2014, our product development team has been working hard to bring you amazing instant creations. The Lomo'Instant Automat is the sum of all we've learned. We've created something even bigger, even better. Wait a minute, it's actually much smaller. And the best thing about it? You don't even have to think twice. Because life is about moments. Don't wait for them, chase them. Auto mode on, brain off. Get perfectly exposed images even in low light situations. For each and every frame, foreground and background, dusk till dawn. Shoot crazy light paintings, beautiful night scenes, and so much more with the long exposure mode. Add splashes of color with the color gel filters. Create layers and textures with unlimited multiple exposures. And shake up your perspective with the wide angle, fisheye, and close-up lens attachments. In an ever more digital world, nothing beats the rush of holding a snapshot in your hands and watching it develop in seconds like a living, physical memory. Because instant photography doesn't stop at the click of the shutter. The Lomo'Instant Automat makes the whole world shareable, lets you live in the moment and embrace the now. Make every moment count. Back us on Kickstarter now to be one of the first to own a Lomo'Instant Automat.
This is the print pocket. Turn your phone essentially into a Polaroid camera, snapping a photo and printing out a physical version of that image instantaneously. The app itself allows you to look at an image and it plays a video clip. It can trigger a video clip from the moments surrounding that actual image.
Hi Kickstarter! 3 years ago, you backed our first product, the print case. This year, we released our second generation, the Print Pocket for iPhone, which is the smallest instant camera ever. But with thousands of Android users reaching out to us, we decided it was time to go back to work and design their product. That's why we're here, back on Kickstarter. We want to work with our community to make the Print Pocket for Android the best possible.
Our goal was to create the smallest instant camera on the market. To achieve this, we removed the need for an ink cartridge and switched to zero ink sticker paper. The colors on the paper reveal by using thermal heating technology. By incorporating an expandable adapter, Print Pocket for Android fits any smartphone with a USB-C port.
Our product is the easiest to use. It's very simple. You just have to plug your phone in, select a photo from your gallery or Instagram, Snapchat, and print.
Our product is portable, so users can share photos anytime, anywhere. It's small enough to fit in your bag, your jacket, and can even attach to a neck or wrist strap so you can carry it with you at all times. It's not all about the hardware though. When we started designing the print app, it was important for us to provide as many customization options as possible. From filters, frames, captions, and emojis, users have the creative freedom to tailor their moments to their lifestyle. To fully experience the moment captured, we've integrated the ability to embed videos into your photos. The videos replay inside the paper when you hover over your photo with the app.
We've seen users from all over the world using print to inspire their projects. From room decorations to DIY, your creativity is really the limit with print.
You asked us to create a product for Android, and we want to bring it into your hands. So help us create the Print Pocket for Android. Thank you.